Imagine you're the owner of a trendy apparel company, StyleSense Apparel Co. You've worked hard to establish your brand as a go-to destination for fashion-forward consumers, offering everything from chic athleisure wear to stylish accessories for men, women, and children. Your diverse product mix is your pride and joy, but in today's fiercely competitive retail market, merely having a great selection isn't enough. You need to understand how each of those products is performing and how they contribute to your overall revenue and profitability. This is where the concept of sales mix variance comes into play, and trust me, it's a game changer. So, what exactly is sales mix variance? In simple terms, it's the difference between what you expected to sell and what you actually sold across your different product lines. Think of it as a magnifying glass that helps you see which products are your stars and which ones might be dragging you down. By analyzing the sales mix variance, you can uncover hidden insights about your business's performance. It's like having a secret weapon to drive your revenue and boost your profitability. Let's break it down further. Imagine you've budgeted for a certain percentage of sales to come from each of your product categories. For instance, you might expect 30% of your sales to come from casual wear, 20% from activewear, and so on. But when you look at the actual sales data, you notice that casual wear is actually making up 35% of your sales, while activewear has dropped to 15%. This discrepancy is your sales mix variance, and it tells you a lot about shifting customer preferences. Understanding this variance is crucial because it empowers you to make informed decisions. If casual wear is outperforming your expectations, maybe it's time to allocate more marketing resources to that category. On the flip side, if activewear is underperforming, you might need to reassess your pricing strategy or even consider redesigning some of the products. This is where the real magic happens. You're not just reacting to sales figures, you're proactively shaping your product mix based on solid data. Now, let's talk about how to actually calculate sales mix variance. It's a straightforward process that anyone can master. First, you start by determining your budgeted sales mix, essentially what you projected for each product category. Next, you calculate the budgeted sales figures by multiplying your budgeted percentages by total sales. Then, you analyze your actual sales data to find out what percentage of your total sales came from each category. After that, you can calculate the variances by subtracting the budgeted sales from the actual sales for each product line. Finally, sum up these variances to get your total sales mix variance. But numbers alone don't tell the full story. You need to interpret these results in the context of your business. A positive variance means a product is performing better than expected, while a negative variance indicates underperformance. Zero variance? Well, that might mean you're on track, but it could also mean you're missing out on opportunities. You need to dig deeper. What's driving those variances? Is it a change in consumer behavior, a seasonal trend, or perhaps the impact of a recent marketing campaign? Take StyleSense Apparel Co., for example. After analyzing their sales mix variance, they found that casual wear and children's wear were performing exceptionally well, while activewear and formal wear were lagging behind. This insight allowed them to adjust their marketing strategies, focusing more on promoting the successful categories while reevaluating their approach to the underperformers. They even capitalized on the growing trend of athleisure by expanding their offerings in that category, tapping into a lucrative market. But let's not forget about the importance of accurate data collection. The foundation of effective sales mix variance analysis is reliable sales data. Implementing a robust point-of-sale system can help you capture this data efficiently. Automating your sales data collection minimizes errors and gives you real-time insights, making it easier to track performance and identify trends. Additionally, gathering customer feedback through surveys can provide qualitative insights that complement your quantitative data. Now, here's the kicker. Once you have this data and you've analyzed your sales mix variance, you can use it to drive strategic initiatives. For instance, if you notice a negative variance in activewear sales, you might decide to run a targeted promotion or introduce new styles that align with current trends. Alternatively, if casual wear is thriving, you could invest in expanding that line, perhaps introducing new colors or styles to keep the momentum going. Sales mix variance analysis isn't just about numbers, it's about storytelling. It tells you the story of your customers, their preferences, and how you can adapt to meet their needs. It's about understanding the dynamics of your product mix and using that knowledge to make informed decisions that drive growth. So, why does this matter for your business? Because in a competitive landscape, staying ahead requires more than intuition. It requires data-driven decision-making. By harnessing the insights provided by sales mix variance analysis, you can empower your business to make smarter choices, optimize your product offerings, and ultimately drive revenue and profitability to new heights. In conclusion, if you're serious about taking your business to the next level, understanding and leveraging sales mix variance is essential. It's not just a tool for analysis, it's a strategic asset that can transform your approach to product management and marketing. Embrace the power of sales mix variance, unlock the full potential of your business, and watch as you drive revenue and profitability like never before. Trust me, your future self will thank you for it.